There are 4 income levels for grant writers. Most stay at number 2 because they never learn what I'm about to teach you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all 4 levels and what it takes to climb to the next one. I have taught over 3,400 people how to write grants. Together, they have made more than $12.5 million writing grants, and they've won well over $1 billion in grants. So that's a number that is growing every year. We check on it in September. Because I talk about money very openly with my students, I get a rare view behind the scenes. I can see exactly where grant writers are making money, where they're stalling, and why. So let's start at the beginning. Level 1 is going from $0, you've never made any money, to your first $15,000. And this is where you're learning to get paid in the first place. This is a side project. This is, you found someone, they're willing to pay you to research grants and write a few. You are building the skill, you are building confidence, you're proving yourself. Yes, someone will actually hand you money for this. It is massively confidence boosting, and in no time, you will get into level 2. Level 2 is going from $15,000 to $75,000 a year. And this is where things get interesting, because this is where most people are getting stuck. Since we broke our program into 5 separate tracks, I now have an incredible visibility into what those specific struggles are at each earning window. And what I see at level 2 is consistent. If you're freelancing or you're side hustling, you stall here hard because you're not charging enough. You're building custom offers for every single project just to get a yes. And most people can get themselves to 50,000, which is awesome, but then you plateau. It's not enough to justify quitting your job, and you're working your freaking tush off. If you're in-house, you've hit your pay ceiling. I lived this. I was stuck at a $68,000 a year job in my in-house grant writing role, and I could not even get a modest cost of living increase no matter what I did. And I am seeing this happen to talented in-house grant writers constantly. But what if I told you that I have in-house grant writers in my program that are making up to $160,000 plus full benefits? Level 2 is what we call internally as this messy middle. It's this gauntlet that we want to get you through as quickly as possible, and I'm going to come back to that in a minute. Level 3 is going from $75,000 a year to $250,000 a year. If you're freelancing, this is when you're finally charging what your work is worth, at least if you're on the higher end of this band. And you have enough financial breathing room that not everything feels like it's on a shoestring. Now, this is also when you start learning the skill that becomes the trap of level 3 if not mastered. And that is how to stop being the bottleneck. How do you let other people help you? How do you build something that doesn't require you personally to do every single thing? But y'all, that is not the finish line. There is one more level. Level 4 is $250,000 to $1 million plus a year in total revenue. So no, you're not getting there in an in-house job, at least not that I've heard of yet. This is when you've built a small but mighty boutique agency. Now, total revenue is not take-home salary, right? Let's be real. At this level, you're paying yourself $100,000 to $250,000 a year as a salary. You're putting serious money into retirement as a business expense, and you're enjoying the kind of work perks that used to feel like a fantasy. Here's the part that makes Rose and I want to pull our hair out. We talk to grant writers every week who are sitting at level 2, maybe level 3, who know they want more and they won't let us help you get there. Knowing what to do, it's easy, right? But doing it is where the rubber meets the road. Just today, I ran a level 2 coaching call where we did a belief audit. The group had shared what was holding them back in our last session. And today we worked through it together, including one member who's operating as a full fractional fundraising professional for a nonprofit, Invaluable, for just $3,100 a month. She named fear of embarrassment, fear of losing the client who's also a friend if she asked for the rate increase, fear of not having enough capacity if all these other clients come in. She's got 3 asking to work with her right now. And the fear of burning out again, which is why she went out on her own in the first place. We worked through every one of those fears, kind of pulled on that thread, and then we got tactical, which is, okay, now how do we have that rate increase conversation? Restructure her services step by step. That's the kind of session where having someone in your corner makes all the difference between earning 2 to 3 times more than you would have on your own, because that is what actually moves you from one level to the next. It's this combination of mindset and very specific practical steps. I want to know, what level are you at right now? And what level do you want to be at? Quick gut check. I want to know. Just let me know in the comments. Type level 1, level 2, level 3, or level 4 in the comments. In the description below, I will link up 3 different trainings that depend on what level you're at and where you want to go. And in less than 20 minutes, I will walk you through the exact shifts that help our members go from one level to the next. And you'll see how you can do the same in the next 12 months. Go watch that now while it's still fresh on your mind and use it to build a real plan instead of just letting this be another nice YouTube video. I'll see you there.